Have you ever wondered what chatting with an artificial intelligence would be like? What if you could use this technology to improve your communication skills and business success? Well, you're in luck, because there is a tool that can help you do just that. It's called ChatGPT, and it's an AI-powered chatbot that can converse with you on various topics and scenarios. It is not just a fun toy to play with, it's also a powerful tool to enhance your creativity, empathy, persuasion, and problem-solving skills. By chatting with ChatGPT, you can learn new things, gain new perspectives, and generate new ideas. You can also use it as a coach and mentor to get feedback and guidance on your goals and challenges. But how do you use it effectively? How do you get the most out of this amazing technology? That's what this video is all about. In this video, I will share with you 6 strategies for getting better results from ChatGPT, based on an article by Jodie Cook, a Forbes senior contributor and entrepreneur who explores concepts in entrepreneurship, AI, and lifestyle design. These strategies are setting clear goals and expectations, asking open-ended questions, providing feedback and reinforcement, being creative and playful, using it as a coach and mentor, experimenting with different prompts and scenarios. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of how to use it to improve your communication skills and business success. So, stay tuned and let's get started. The first strategy for getting better results from ChatGPT is to set clear goals and expectations for each conversation. This means that you should have a clear purpose and outcome for chatting with it, such as learning a new skill, gaining a new perspective, or generating new ideas. Having a clear goal and expectation will help you focus your conversation and measure your progress. One way to set clear goals and expectations is to use the SMART framework. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. These are the criteria that you should use to define your goals and expectations. For example, instead of saying, "I want to improve my communication skills," you can say, "I want to learn how to pitch my product to potential customers in 10 minutes." This is a SMART goal because it is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Another way to set clear goals and expectations is to use prompts and responses to guide your conversation. A prompt is a sentence or a question that you type to start or continue the conversation with it. A response is a sentence or a question that ChatGPT types back to you. You can use prompts and responses to state your goals and expectations and to check if you are on track. For example, you can start the conversation with a prompt like, "Hi, I'm a salesperson for XYZ company, and I'd like to tell you about our amazing product. Can I have 10 minutes of your time?" This prompt tells it your goal and expectation, and also invites ChatGPT to engage with you. It might respond with something like, "Sure, I'm interested in hearing about your product. What is it?" This response shows that it is willing to listen to you, and also asks you a question to continue the conversation. By setting clear goals and expectations, you can make your ChatGPT conversations more productive and meaningful. You can also use it to help you achieve your goals and expectations by providing you with feedback, suggestions, and encouragement. The second strategy for getting better results from ChatGPT is to ask open-ended questions. Open-ended questions are questions that cannot be answered with a simple yes or no, but require more explanation, elaboration, or opinion. Open-ended questions are useful for chatting with ChatGPT because they can elicit more information, encourage deeper thinking, and build rapport. One way to ask open-ended questions is to use the WH words: who, what, when, where, why, and how. These words can help you start a question that invites it to share more details, insights, or stories. For example, instead of asking, "Do you like your job?" you can ask, "What do you like about your job?" or How did you get into your job? These questions are more open-ended and can lead to more interesting and informative conversations. Another way to ask open-ended questions is to use prompts and responses to follow up on the topics that ChatGPT brings up. You can use prompts and responses to show interest, curiosity, or empathy, and to dig deeper into the topics that ChatGPT mentions. For example, if it says, "I'm a project manager for a software company," you can ask, "What are the main challenges you face in your role?" Or, "How do you feel about the current situation in your industry?" These questions show that you are paying attention and that you want to learn more from it. By asking open-ended questions, you can make your ChatGPT conversations more engaging and conversational. You can also use it to expand your knowledge, perspective, and empathy by listening to what it has to say. The third strategy for getting better results from ChatGPT is to provide feedback and reinforcement. Feedback and reinforcement are ways of communicating to ChatGPT how well it is performing, what it is doing right or wrong, and how it can improve. Feedback and reinforcement are important for chatting with it because they can help it learn from its mistakes, correct its errors, and motivate its improvement. One way to provide feedback and reinforcement is to use positive and negative statements. Positive statements are statements that praise, compliment, or appreciate its performance, such as, "That was a great answer. Thank you for sharing your insights." Or, "You are very smart and creative. I like chatting with you." Negative statements are statements that criticize, correct, or point out its errors, such as, "That was not quite accurate. Let me explain why." Or, "You are not making sense. Please try again." You can use positive and negative statements to acknowledge its performance and to guide it in the right direction. Another way to provide feedback and reinforcement is to use prompts and responses to give and receive feedback and reinforcement. You can use prompts and responses to ask for feedback, to offer feedback, or to respond to feedback. For example, you can ask for feedback with a prompt like, "I appreciate your feedback on my resume. Can you tell me what you liked and what you think I can improve?" You can offer feedback with a response like, "Sure, I liked your summary statement and your achievements. I think you can improve your formatting and your skills section." You can respond to feedback with a prompt or a response like, "Thank you for your feedback, I will work on that," or "You're welcome, I hope it helps." By providing feedback and reinforcement, you can make your ChatGPT conversations more interactive and educational. You can also use it to help you improve your skills, performance, and confidence by getting feedback and reinforcement from ChatGPT. In this video, I have shared with you 6 strategies for getting better results from ChatGPT, based on an article by Jodie Cook, a Forbes senior contributor and an entrepreneur who explores concepts in entrepreneurship, AI, and lifestyle design. These strategies are setting clear goals and expectations, asking open-ended questions, providing feedback and reinforcement, being creative and playful, using it as a coach and mentor, experimenting with different prompts and scenarios. By using these strategies, you can use it effectively to improve your communication skills and business success. You can also have fun and learn new things by chatting with ChatGPT. It is an amazing technology that can help you enhance your creativity, empathy, persuasion, and problem-solving skills. If you want to learn more about ChatGPT and how to use it, I recommend you to read the article by Jodie Cook, which I have linked in the description below. You can also try out different scenarios, such as chatting with celebrities, fictional characters, or historical figures. You can also join a ChatGPT community, where you can share your conversations, tips, and experiences with other users. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos on technology, AI, and communication. Also, feel free to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of it and what topics or scenarios you would like to chat with ChatGPT about.